Hi, this is Shubhadeep. I come from a finance background. I work for ADCB in UAE for about 15 years now. Always been a risk professional. Quantitative risk is my area of work. And for me, data has always been there. We look at data day in and day out. It's more in terms of explorative or descriptive. We use predictive data modeling to an extent in our work field, but the whole objective to get into this program and going through it was to look at the technology which drives the data as of now, because data, as we look at it through SAS, as we look at it through normal analysis, which is Excel sheet based, it's quite tedious. It takes a lot of time. So obviously, technology is going to help in understanding and modeling the data. So that was one of the objectives in coming into it. Plus, the current uh, methods or the current modeling methods which are getting used in the industries like e-commerce or the current retail, which is much more advanced than what actually we do in data modeling. So that was another aspect to understand what is in the market. And also we are transforming the bank into a digital bank. So on a digital sphere, how to understand customer dynamics, how to understand customer needs and be close to the customer, just looking at their behavior rather than bothering them with telephone calls or surveys, focus groups, is something which I wanted to look at. So if I really go through the entire journey, starting from statistics, getting into understanding the basic programming languages, then learning the languages to use the statistics which you have learned, and then finally live projects of predictive modeling. So I feel it's quite a nice journey. And honestly, the final understanding of it is, as we used to use Excel, say 15 years back, today the tools are becoming so user friendly that at some point of time people will be using it for their day-to-day activities. So apart from my normal banking, I am into investments, I'm into my own trading. So I use this opportunity to develop my own trading models as well. So obviously, personally, professionally, it has both helped. I would definitely recommend in terms of people getting into this.